morning, boys and girls. Happy Friday. Today is Friday, May 22nd, 2020. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. So this upcoming Monday, we will not be having school because on Monday we are going to be honoring the men and women who have helped our nation be free. And the holiday we're going to be celebrating is Memorial Day. So there's a little bit of information for you in the morning message about Memorial Day. Also, you'll notice our activity today is a brain pop video more about what is Memorial Day. So tell someone at home something marvelous about this week. Maybe you can show a parent or a sibling or a grandparent or your dog your book that you made this week. That'd be awesome for you to share. So that's something fun you can do. All right, let's jump into our day. So today is color war. Our color war is going to be based on your last name initial. So for example, because I am Miss starts with a U, my color for color war is going to be purple. So I'm going to take a picture with a purple shirt, maybe some purple socks, a purple headband, or a scarf. Be creative and send me your color war, and we will see what color wins on Monday. I will put up the shout outs for today later. Today is your last day for chapters 4, 5, and 6. Next week we will be reading chapters 7, 8, and 9. And 9 is the last chapter of Who Was Sacagawea. Today's reading plan is you are going to log into Book Creator. In Book Creator, there's going to be a tab where it is going to ask you, do you want to view your teacher book and your classmates book? You will go there in order for you to view your classmates' books. You're going to read two other students' books. Please try to read at least two today. With that said, after you read at least two of your classmates' books, you are then going to create a Flipgrid by clicking this link here and record yourself leaving compliments. Whose book did you read? Give them a glow and give them a grow. What did they do? Awesome. Something that you loved about their piece or something interesting you learned about their writing, and something grow. What type of positive suggestion could you give them to make them an even better writer? So that is our reading and writing plan for today. I'm going to include a link to show you how to get to look at the books. Please make sure you check it out. Math today, lots of Flipgrids. You are going to be showing what you learned. On Flipgrid, there is a question for you to answer in a picture form or word format, actually. You're going to share how you can solve this with a fraction collection or a drawing. Make sure you include fraction vocabulary in your response. If you have not finished your glossaries, please make sure you do that today. They are due at the end of the day. I think I have 8 of you who have either finished it online or completed it and emailed it to me. So if you're going to do it through drawings and you've already printed out, please make sure you email a picture of your work. Today is our last day for our Make a Marble Maze STEM challenge. I have 2 people who have created awesome STEM ideas. So maybe today would be a good day, since it's a very light day, for you to create a maze. And as always, we have our early finishers activities. Please take a look at any of these if you're looking for something to do if you finish your day early. That's all I have for you today. Remember, boys and girls, continue to work hard. Um, Celebrate your books today. You did such an awesome job with it. I'm so proud of you. Check out your feedback by the end of the day to see some comments or suggestions I have for your work this week. I'm very, very proud of all of you. Enjoy your Monday off. We will be back on Tuesday. And I'm going to sign off with our usual be kind, be awesome, work hard, and shine bright. Bye, boys and girls.